Hey, Peter. So last week you were telling us about the four pillars of construction management and how S4X uses them
Yeah.
in their daily process. What is the first pillar of construction management?
Real simple. The first pillar of the four is program management.
So, program management. Can you tell us a little bit more about that? How does it work?
Program management involves the strategic planning of multiple deliverables to meet the client's goals and objectives.
Interesting. And what would you say is the biggest failure you've seen in program management?
The biggest failure in program management is that many companies concentrate only on the overall goal, and the cost of the program mainly takes a back seat and it becomes a big failure. Almost immediately, S4X rips off the band aid.
I think we got to pull it the rest of the way through. Oh, let me do it! That's my idea! I said it first!
You see, in every program and every project, there are four hidden and nonverbal costs that leaders have in their mind, and they think it's going to cost X amount. These four nonverbal numbers would come from the investor, the CEO. The second would be the balance of the C suite. The third would be the executive staff. And the fourth would come from the general contractor or the architect and engineer. And somewhere in that list of the four different hidden costs, there's probably a sweet spot that we're going to decipher. And we do that at the onset of the program. And when we do that at the beginning, it removes the financial fatigue and then it removes a lot of the stress. And everyone's not on the back of their heels during the program and the project.
And do you have an example of how you've been able to avoid this financial fatigue in the past?
We have a great example. S4X led a management program where the client struggled for 10 years to do an addition to their equine hospital. And in that process, they were battling with a $10 million bust. They came to S4X and we took that program, and within 30 days, we found $2.5 million and reduced that entire program. We're under construction and we're going to deliver that site on time, under budget in the next few months.
That's real interesting.
We think so.